So this is dispersed camping with the 2025 Subaru Forester Wilderness Edition. So I have some screens on the side here. Front and back. Have the sun shield there in the front. I have screens on the front and back as well. I have reflectix in the little window there. And I enter through here. So I have a 4-inch foam mattress. I have a blow-up thermal mattress. That's just to keep the cold out. To bridge the gap here of the seats, I have a board hooked with paracord there to keep it flat. I have a sleeping bag. I have my clothes there and a couple of backpacks. And I have this cord up here. I can hook my Kindle over that and watch a movie in the night. So I get in from here. There's my cooler down there. So here in the back, just got some other blankets there. And this, I'm let's see, I'm about 5'9", and I've got plenty of room. 6 foot would be probably the max. The front seat will go forward more. So I got some food staples here, dirty clothes here, got my tow rope, which I hope I never need, only to pull someone else out, because this is a Subaru, correct? Yes. And I got my backpack there, my hiking hat there. I got some GoPro stuff there. And then over here in this back door, I have an assortment of shoes. So that's my setup, and I think it's going to work great. I just set it up out here at this camp spot. This is out in Arkansas. I was here maybe 3 years ago, and so I came from Oklahoma. I'm actually on my way home back to Iowa, but I wanted to come and do some dispersed camping. The weather's great, it's 70 degrees. It's the last of February here. And so I came clear over to Arkansas because there's really no place in northeastern Oklahoma to disperse camp. I found a couple of places, but I wouldn't be caught dead there. I might be caught dead. That's the problem. So anyway, I came over here, and this is a great place. Got a fire ring here. There's another fire ring there, down there. And yeah, it would be shady in the summer. Nice big place. You could put a big rig in here. So that's my setup. I'll sleep in this tonight and head home tomorrow, and we'll call it good.